Ken Palace of Justice, my brother. Ken Palace of Justice, my brother. I'm now equal now. Namoduko, okay? Ogechi na for your honor. My brother, I will still maintain on the advice in Yelugu because you will play a very vital role in putting a lot of controversies surrounding Ogechi to rest. That will be the greatest favor you can ever do for Ogechi. Forget about this. You are trying to maintain peace. Which peace are you trying to maintain? So, Ken, let me ask you a question. Ịpụtara n'ilo gwa ndị mmadụ na mmụnwa wee zugowe onye ochi. Ndị mmadụ wee chụwa m ka akụwuo m asị onye ochi. Ha wee jide m based on n'ikwu na mụ onye ochi. I wee pụta wee sị na abịa yo on my behalf so that they can leave me. Have you end up clearing the air that na mabụlụ onye ochi? Don't you think that the greatest help you can ever render to me is coming out and bold enough to tell the people that Nesugabulu Onyoshi? If you do that, you have end up putting the matter to rest completely. My brother, I am not Ewu Amamife. I will advise you for the sake of peace. I know that Ogechi in a video said that she has forgiven you. Despite all the things in your life, you helped in building a lot of controversies that Ogechi has been battering today. Every single name people label against Ogechi was originated from your platform. I think it's high time you come out like a man. Stand like a man. Since you have grown, you have claimed that you have stopped all this. I think it's high time you come out to put an end to this madness. If you start claiming that you're on behalf of Ogechi, you are deceiving and you are misleading yourself. You are being deceitful. The greatest thing you can do for Ogechi, if you love Ogechi so much, is to come out. Even all those things you put on your platform. Malunde wa se gwande mado na se. Emanunde we ezioku. Insist ye na ezioku. But if you keep saying, you don't want to say, you want me, honestly, to buy and build myself into the controversy when you create against Ogechi in the past. Or are you not aware of what Ogechi is still battling today? It is as a result of several broadcasts of lies. Oga, Onotrona, Palace of Justice, those days. All the people who are Ogechi know here today. It's because of that platform, Palace of Justice. And then Chicago. It's because of that platform. Nde say no bulumpe with mwe na nyana mwe bulumpe. Who na that your platform? Nde say noji bottle we pushidie. Nde say no molo imbe. Every single thing and them onyona na Ogechi today is as a result. People who misunderstood that they are supposed to caution those na snap auto they say and turn the message upside down. It's as a result of that Palace of Justice. Don't you think it is time? Don't you think it is time you come out to clear the air? Tell people the truth. Tell people the lies that has been peddled against Ogechi. Clear the mind of people so that they will understand that those are just Facebook sagono balaba, that it does not represent the truth. How is it difficult for you? Yet if it show can yellow Ogechi Kobia apologize here, submitting herself further na claim unu wezuku. Have you repented for real? Have you repented for real? Yeah. Have you repented for real? You want me to further come out and help to persuade Ogechi or to apologize on her behalf, confirming every single lies you people have told against her? Ken, the time is still right for you to do the right thing. Otherwise, you will not have peace and posterity will never be fair to you. Yes, I'm very happy that at least I am seeing a changed Ken. But that changed Ken cannot be cannot be completed without you doing the right thing. And you know what I am talking about. You know exactly what I am talking about. Do the right thing, bro. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Yes, do the right thing. You don't want me to enjoy with my wife. Should I come and enjoy with your wife? You don't want me to enjoy in my house. Should I come and enjoy in your own house? Yes, should I come and enjoy in your own house? When you were in prison in Senegal, those people they share up. Did they run away from their house? I am asking you. They did not run away from their house. They did for you what I felt I should do for Ogechi. The majority of things about Ogechi is hanging on your shoulder because you are the pilot of that plane, Palace of Justice. You need to come out and tell people the truth so that people will know nke wezuku mara nke wokwase. Man isikwo no ke noro na ayo kiri ife na ayo do. Chedemma borubenu na aja nke ni na onu. You got to go. Udode. Do the right thing. Abagarizina. Do the right thing. If truly that need change, you go from that can that people usually complete it by doing the right thing, because this is the one of the greatest crime a committee go as Onibo. This is one of the greatest crime a committee go as Onibo. Can happen here by my brother.